If Pixlr is showing a failed request error, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through a few quick troubleshooting steps that usually fix the problem fast. We'll test whether the issue is caused by your browser profile, clear out old data that may be interfering, disable conflicting extensions, and even flush your DNS on Windows if needed. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Let's get right into it. First, try opening Pixlr in Incognito Mode. On Windows, press Ctrl, Shift, and N. On Mac, press Command, Shift, and N. This opens a clean browser session without using your saved cookies, cached data, or most extensions. Now go back to Pixlr and test the same action that caused the error. If it works in Incognito Mode, that usually means the issue is tied to your browser extensions, cookies, or profile data rather than Pixlr itself. Next, clear your browser data. This is one of the most effective fixes for failed request errors. On your keyboard, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete. A clear browsing data window should appear. Set the time range to all time so you remove everything that could be causing the conflict. Then check cookies and other site data, along with cached images and files. Once those are selected, click Clear Data. After that, close the browser completely and reopen it, then try Pixlr again. If the issue still continues, the next step is to disable extensions and restart your browser. Ad blockers, VPN extensions, tracking protection tools, and even some privacy add-ons can interfere with Pixlr's requests. Turn them off one by one, especially anything that blocks scripts or cookies. After disabling them, close every browser window completely. Don't just minimize it. Fully exit the browser, then reopen it and test Pixlr again. This helps make sure the changes actually take effect. If you're using Windows and none of that works, you can also flush your DNS. This can help if there's a network level lookup issue causing Pixlr to fail. Press Windows and R to open the run box. Type CMD and press Enter to open command prompt. Then type ipconfig/flush DNS and press Enter. Once the command runs successfully, restart your browser and try Pixlr one more time. In most cases, one of these steps will fix the failed request error in Pixlr. Start with Incognito Mode, then clear browser data, disable extensions, and finally flush DNS if you're on wet Windows. That simple order gives you the best chance of finding the cause quickly without wasting time. If this tutorial helped, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy troubleshooting guides. And if you want, I can also show you a longer Pixlr fix checklist for more advanced errors. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.